Assalamualaikum and very good morning. How are you today? Today we enter chapter 4, conic section. Okay, in these topics, we learned about a circle, 4.1 is circle, 4.2 ellipse, 4.3 parabola. Now we start with ellipse. Sorry, we start with a circle, 4.1 is circle. Okay, at the end of this topic, students should be able to first find the equation of circle by writing down the general and the standard form of the circle with the radius R and the center HK by using the given 2 or 3 point. Okay, B, find the center and radius of circle by using completing the square method or comparing the general equation. Okay, this is our objective today. Okay, we start with a circle. What is a circle? Okay, now we determine the equation of the circle. Let's say we have a 1 point C. This is a fixed point. C is a big point. Let's say C equal to HK, and then we have another point P. This is a point P. Okay, with the coordinate X, Y. Let's say the P move around the C with the same distance. Okay, this locus produce a circle with a radius R. Okay, to find the equation of the circle, we use the distance from a point C to a point D. So that's been the distance for R. R equal to the distance at the 2 points. Distance at 2 points. R equal to square root X minus X1. Or in this case, X equal to H, X1 equal to H, and Y1 equal to K. Okay, we use a formula distance at the 2 point, X minus H square plus Y minus K square. Okay, we use this point. Okay, next, okay, next, X minus H square plus Y minus K square equal to R square. This is what we call standard form. It's a standard form for the circle with the center HK and then the radius equal to R. Now, if we expand the standard form, X minus H square plus Y minus K square equal to R square. We expand, we get X square minus 2XH plus H square plus Y square minus 2YK plus K square equal to R square. And then we arrange X square plus Y square minus 2XH minus 2YK plus H square plus K square equal to R square. If we substitute things, G equal to negative H, F equal to negative K, and C equal to G square plus F square equal to R square. Now we get another equation, X square plus Y square equal to 2GX plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is what is known as a general form for the circle, with the center negative g negative f and the radius equal to square root g square plus f square minus c. Okay, look at this example. Example 1, find the equation of the circle if the radius is r and the center is 0, 0. This is the first equation with the center hk with the radius r. When we move the center to the origin 0, 0, so we move to the 0, 0. Now the center is 0, 0, and then remain the r is a radius. So we use the standard form x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. When the h and k equal to 0, 0, now we get a x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square equal to r square. Now we get the equation x square plus y square equal to r square. This is the equation for circle if the center is 0, 0 and the radius equal to r. Okay, next example, find the equation of circle if the radius is 3 and the center is 2, negative 1. In this case, r equal to 3 and the center, that means hk, equal to 2, negative 1. That means h equal 2 and k equal to negative 1. Now we substitute in the standard form x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So x minus 2 square plus y minus negative 1 square equal to 3 square. Now we get the answer x minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square equal to 9. This is the standard equation for the circle with the radius 3 and the center is 2, negative 1. Okay, example 3, find the general equation. Now we find the general equation of the circle having the center negative 3, 5 and the radius of length 4 unit. We can find using a solution of circle using a two method. Let's say the method 1 using the standard form x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Now we substitute the value of h and value of k and then the value of r radius. We get a x plus 3 square plus y minus 5 square equal to 4. If we expand, we get x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 equal to 16. And then we simplify, we get the general equation for the circle with the center negative 3, 5 and radius equal to 4. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y plus 18 equal to 0. This is when we use first method using a standard form. Another method, second method, we use a general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now we find what is value g, what is value f, and what is the value c by comparing. To the center, if we have a general equation, the center given by negative g, negative f. So given that the center is negative 3 and 5, that means g equal to 3 and then f equal to negative 5. And then we know that c, from the previous knowledge, c equal to g square plus f square minus r square. So that means here 3 power of 2 plus negative 5 power of 2 minus 4 square equal to 18. Now we plug in the standard equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we get the answer, the x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y plus 18 equal to 0. So we get the same answer if you use a standard form or you use a general form to find the G, F, and C. Okay, now is continue. Okay, now how to find the equation of circle if the circle passing through 3 points. Let's say the circle passing through P, Q, and R. So this is the idea how to find the equation. First, we substitute all 3 points into the general solution. This is a general solution. We substitute all these 3 points. Now we have a 3 equation. We obtain the 3 equation with 3 variable, with 3 unknown, G, F, and C. And then we solve simultaneous to find the constant G, F, and C. Okay, look at example 4. Find the general equation of the circle passing through A, 2, negative 3, B, 6, 3, and C, negative 4, 1. Okay, according to this point, we substitute all three points into the general solution. General form, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now we start with the first point at A, 2, negative 3. So when x equal to y equal to negative 3, you substitute into a general form here. Now we simplify, you get the first equation, 4g minus 6f plus c equal to negative 13. This is the first equation when you substitute A, the point A, into the general solution. Okay, next we substitute the second point B, 6, 3. You plug in into general forms, x equals 6, y equals 3, and then you simplify, we get the second equation, 12g plus 6f plus c equal to negative 45. This is the second equation. And then next, we substitute third point C equal to negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1. When x equal to negative 4, y equal to 1, we get another equation, the third equation, negative g plus 2f plus c equal to negative 17. This, now we have a 3 equation. 3 equation, we solve simultaneous. Okay, now I want to eliminate the C constant here. I eliminate the C. That means I use a second equation. I solve a first equation with the second equation simultaneous in order to eliminate C. How to eliminate C? I just take equation number 2 and then I subtract equation number 1. So because the coefficient for C is 1, 1, that means when you subtract, the C is eliminated. So 12g minus 4g, we have 8g, this is 8g, and then 6f minus 6f, we have a plus 12f, and then negative 45 minus 13, we have a negative 32. Now we write as equation number 4. Okay, now we use equation number 3 and equation number 4. I want to eliminate C. Okay, now I take equation number 2. This is equation number 2. I subtract equation number 3, or you can take equation number 3, subtract equation number 2. All right, so I get 20G plus 4F equal to negative 28. Now I have a two equation 4 and 5 with a two variable with two unknown G and F. See, eliminate here. So we have a two equation 4 and equation number 5. Now I solve simultaneous equation number 4 and equation number 5 in order to get a value G or value F. Okay, these are right again here. This is equation number 4 and then this is equation number 5. Okay, now I want to eliminate F, part F. If you look at the first equation number 4, we have a 12F. The coefficient for F is 12, so time with 3, equation number 5. Forget the same coefficient, 12, that means I time with 3. Equation number 5 times with 3, so I get 60G plus 12F. Now you have look at here, we have 12F, this is also 12F equal to negative 84. Now I use equation number 4 and equation number 6. Equation number 4 and equation number 6. I take equation number 4, subtract equation number 5. So in this case, the F part is eliminated here. So now we just remain G. Yeah? The 52G, 60G minus 8G, we have a 52G equal to negative 52. So we have a G equal to negative 1. Now we substitute G equal to negative 1 into equation number 4 in order to get F. Okay, 8 times negative 1 plus 2F, 12F equal to negative 32. Now we have a F equal to negative 2. Now we have a value F and value G. Now the last one here, we want to find the value C. How to find the value C? We substitute G equal to negative 1, F equal to negative 2 into equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1, 4G minus 6F plus C equal to negative 13. This is equation number 1. Now we substitute G equal to negative 1. G equal to negative 1. And then F equal to negative 2. So 4 times negative 1 minus G times negative 2 plus C equal to negative 13. So we have C equal to negative 21. Okay, to find the general equation, this is a general equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C equal to 0. Now we have a value F, value G, and then the value C. You just plug in here. X squared plus y squared plus 2, G equal to negative 1, X plus 2, F equal to negative 2, Y minus 21, C equal to negative 21 equal to 0. Now we get the answer. So the equation of circle is x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, this is how to find the equation when the circle passing through 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. The idea is first you substitute all 3 points into a general form, so you get a 3 equation. After that, you simplify and then you solve simultaneous. You get a value F, G, and C, and then you plug it into a general equation. So you get the answer. Okay, now we go to how to find it. Next, we go to number, this is example 4. Okay, now next, how to find equation if the circle passing through 2 point with the equation diameter given. Let's say the equation of diameter given, that means the line y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of diameter. Equation passing through the center diameter, the line must passing through the center. Okay, we let the center equal to negative g, negative f, because when we know the equation as a general, so the center given by negative g, negative f, we use center negative g, negative f when the equation in a general form. If the center hk, we use a standard form. Yeah. Okay, the idea is first we substitute all 2 points into a general equation. Okay, we substitute 2 points into a general equation. Now you have a two equation. Next, another equation we can find using the equation of diameter. We substitute negative g and negative f because the diameter passing through the or lies on the center is lies on the diameter. Now we have a three equation. We have a three equation. Now we solve the three equations simultaneous. Okay, we solve simultaneous to find a constant G, F, and C. Okay, look at this example 5. Find the general equation of the circle passing through the point 1, 1, 3, 2 with diameter y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So we have a 2 point and 1 diameter. Okay, this is a general equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So at the point 1, 1, we substitute x equal 1, y equal 1. So when x equal 1, y also 1. And then you substitute into a general equation 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g x equal 1 plus 2f y equal 1 plus c equal to 0. So now we get the first equation 2g plus 2f plus c equal to negative 2. This is the first equation. Now we substitute the second point 3, 2. The second point 3, 2. Also you substitute into a general form 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 g x equal 3 plus 2f y equal 2 plus c. Now we get another equation, the second equation 4g plus 4f plus c equal to negative 13 as a second equation. Now we have already have two equations. So next, to find another equation, we substitute center for this circle, because we use a general form. The center equal to negative g, negative f. Center is negative g, negative f. Negative g, negative f. So we substitute center negative g, negative f into a diameter y minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So y equal to negative f. Now you get it here. So I rearrange here negative 3x plus 7 equal to negative 7. So 3, so we substitute g. So that's mean 3G minus F equal to -7. So if you look at equation number 1, this equation number 2, and then this equation number 3. Okay, equation number 1 and equation number 3, we have a three constant G, F, and C. But equation number 3, we have a two constant F and G. So we solve simultaneous equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Okay, first I subtract equation is equation number 2 and equation number 1 in order to eliminate the C value. This is C, I eliminate C. That means the equation number 2 I subtract equation number 1. So that means 4G minus 6G, this is 6G minus 2G. And then I have 4G, 6G minus 2G, 4G. 4F subtract or minus 2F, I have 2F. And then C, this is C minus C equal to 0. -13, this is -13. And then -13 here, minus 2, that means plus 2. -13 plus 2 equal to -11. This is a fourth equation, as a fourth equation. Now we don't have C here, that is 4G plus 2F equal to -11. Okay, so in order to eliminate F, let's say I want to eliminate F, so I times equation number 3 with a 2 because I want to the coefficient for F is same. The coefficient F is 2 for equation number 4, so the coefficient for F in third equation is -1. So that means I time with 2. So 6G minus 2F equal to -14. This is equation number 5, fixed equation. So if you look at equation number 4 and equation number 5, we have only two constant F and G. So now I can subtract. Okay, this is a positive to F and negative to F, so I plus here. I plus equation number 4 and equation number 5. I plus. I sum equation number 5 and equation number 4. 6G plus 4G, I get a 10G, and then this is a cancel here, 2F minus 2F, and then -11 plus -14, I have a -25, so G equal to -5 over 2. Now I substitute G equal to -5 over 2 into third equation in order to get F. Okay, I continue here. So I substitute G equal to -5 over 2 into equation number 3. That means 3 times -5 over 2 minus F equal to -7. So F equal to -1 over 2, -half. Okay, now we have two value F and G. The last value to find is C. Okay, now we substitute F equal to -1 over 2, and then G equal to -5 over 2 into equation number 1. So 2G plus 2F plus C equal -2. So 2 times pi over 2 plus 2 times negative 1 over 2 plus c equal to negative 2. So now after you simplify, okay, we get a c equal to 4. Now we sub or plug in all these three values into a into a general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. F equal to negative half, g equal to negative 5 over 2, and c equal to 4. Now we simplify. We get an x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the general equation when the circle passing through 2 points and with diameter, given diameter. Okay, next we go to now we go to how to find the equation of circle if the circle passing through 2 points, but the 2 points form diameter. Two point form a diameter. Let's say we have a point A, x1, y1, and a point B is x2, y2. Okay, first of all, the idea is how to find the equation of circle. Find the center using a formula midpoint because the center must in the midpoint. Because A and B lies on the circle and A and B is the diameter. Diameter must passes through or lies on diameter, the center. And then find the radius. Next, substitute center and radius into a standard form. Okay, look at this example, how to find the equation of circle passing through 2 points that form diameter. Okay, example 6, find the equation of the circle having AB as a diameter where A equal to 0.18 and B is the 0.314. Okay, the solution. Okay, let's say this is a point A here, A18 and B314. So at the center, AB become a center. The midpoint here is a center. Now we find the center. So the center equal to midpoint AB. Okay, midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 become a center. So in this example, x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 3, y1 equal to 8, and then y2 equal to 14. Jadi 1 plus 3 divided by 2, 8 plus 14 over 2. So we have a center equal to 211. This is center 211. Now we have a center 211. So we can find the R. To find the R, we using the formula. We use a formula distance 2 points, R. Or you also can find the distance from A to B, and after that you divide by 2, also become a center. Or you can use a center and then the point center and then the point A to find R, or you can also using the point B and then the point C, you find the distance BC also given the radius. Okay, so radius r equal to, you use the formula distance to point. Let's say I use a point A and point C, point A and point C. So 2 minus 1 square plus 11 minus 8 square. So I get a set 10, r equal to set 10, square root 10. So the general equation, of the circle, x minus center equal to x minus 2 square plus y minus 11 square equal to 10 square. And then I expand here, I get x square minus 4x plus 4. And then the part y here, y minus 11 square, as expand, I get a y square minus 22y plus 121 equal to 10. And then I arrange x square plus y square minus 4x minus 22y plus 115 equal to 0. And then this is okay, this is the equation, general equation for the circle. Okay, with the diameter 1,8 and B is 314. Okay, the last one for today, we determine the center and the radius of the circle. How to find the radius and the circle if we know that the general equation of the circle. Now we use two methods. First, okay, I use completing the square. First, I use completing the square. How to find the center, and then how to find the radius using completing the square. Okay, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now split to the two part here, x square minus 6x and then plus y square plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now you look at here, the coefficient for x equal to negative 6. In order to use completing the square, you divide the coefficient for x by 2. That if x square minus, you use minus here. So x minus 6 over 2, that means 3. So using the completed square, x minus 3 square. If you expand x minus 3 square, you have x square minus 6x plus 9. Therefore, you should subtract minus 9 here, because in x minus 3 square, we have a plus 9. So you subtract 9 plus, okay, look at y here, y square plus 2y. That means the coefficient for y, you divide by 2, that means 1. So y plus 1 square. When you expand y plus 1 square, you have y square plus 2y plus 1. Therefore, you should subtract 1 here. And then plus 6, because you have already have 6 here, plus 6 equal to 0. So now you write x minus 3 square plus y plus 1 square equal to negative 6. Negative 1 is negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. And then you bring the negative 4 to the right hand side, you get a 4 here. So this is the standard form with the center. If you look at here, this is this standard form equation: x minus a square plus y minus k square equal to r square. This is standard form. If you compare standard form here with the solution x minus 3 square plus y plus 1 square equal to 4, we know that h equal to 3 and then k equal to negative 1. This is center 3, negative 1. And then the radius using, look at here, 4 is r square, 4 is equal to r square. If you compare here, r square equal to 4, that means r equal to 2. Okay, because r is a distance, you use r equal to. Okay, this is how to use completing the square. Next, we can solve this example using comparing the coefficient. This is using general equation, comparing with the general equation: x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, this is you compare 2g equal to negative 6, 2f equal to, that means g equal to negative 3 and then f equal to 1. Now, how to get the r? And then the center equal to negative g, negative f. The center is negative g, negative f. So we get a center equal to 3, negative 1. Okay, next, find the r radius given by the formula square root d square plus f square minus c. Okay, negative 3 square plus 1 square minus 6. So r equal 2. So we get a center 3, negative 1, and then r equal 2. Okay, that's all for today. I hope all of you understand about the center, how to find the equation of center if the center have a 3 point, if the center have a 3 point and 1 diameter, if the center passing through the 2 point with a diameter. And then I hope you know that the general form, what is the general form for the circle, what is the standard form for the circle. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.